Thought I'd take the Matrice out this morning and see how good the zoom really is. So I took the Matrice out, put on the laser rangefinder, and I found myself a target about 500, 600 meters away. So as I zoom in, it cycles through the mechanical zooms, the tele zoom, and then we get onto the digital zoom. And it is absolutely fantastic how good the zoom is and the quality of the imagery. I thought I'd pan around and then find myself something to lock onto. And in this case, I think it's this either netball hoop or basketball hoop. So as I've zoomed in, I thought I'd try the tracking. So clicking on the smart track and see if I can lock onto something. And actually I could. So I could lock on to the backboard of that piece of sporting equipment. And then I thought what I'd do is try and move the drone around. So at the distance the drone was, I could pivot left and right, and you'll see it still kept a lock onto the area. When you're doing detailed inspections, it's not going to be from 600 meters away, but you are really, really well served with a drone like this. And you've got the laser rangefinder and the target in red there on the map. And you can see I'm pivoting left and right, and it is really just staying locked onto the area I wanted it to stay locked onto. Just fantastic. Again, zooming in, and you can make out the hoop and the netting as well, and the lines on the backboard. As I zoom out, as you would expect, obviously the smart track sort of disappears because you can no longer see it. But just see how fantastic the zoom is.